So for $7, I did these beautiful French tips. Hey guys, it's She. I'm back today with another video. Ever since quarantine happened, one thing that I have really been doing a lot is getting my nails done, okay? I don't know. It was like, I guess, not being able to get my nails done or being able to go get a pedicure and do those girly type things, it really just got me craving the nail shop, okay? So for about 3 months, I consistently got my nails done. In that time frame, they kept breaking. The gel polish chipped. I went to so many different people trying to find like a nail person I connected with. And one thing I hate is like when you're getting your nails done and the person doesn't talk to you. Like, it's the most awkward thing in the world to sit there, have your nails done for hours by somebody that literally isn't saying a word, okay? So needless to say, this last time I got my nails done, 2 weeks later, gel polish was chipping. I broke my thumb. I was like, I can't do this anymore. I'm going back to my press-ons, okay? Press-ons ain't never done me wrong. You break a press-on, you pull another one from the pack and fix it. Versus breaking a nail, having to make an appointment at a nail shop to get the one nail done. It's so expensive. I was like, forget it. So for $7, I did these beautiful French tips. These are medium length. This is perfect for me lifting furniture. As you can see, they literally look like I went to a nail salon and got my nails done. These are by Kiss. I keep looking over there thinking that the package is there, but it's not. I must have put it away already. But guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to achieve this lovely French manicure for less than $10, okay? The company's called Kiss. So when you're choosing the Kiss French tip nails, you want to look for the French tip nails that come with the pinkish background. As you can see, especially if you have like pinkish nail beds, you want to get the kind where you have the French tip and then this jelly part is pink. If your nail bed is already pink, you want to choose those because that's what makes your French tip look more realistic. They come in different shades. They have light tan, they have a clear version, they have one that's super pink. So you have to kind of look at what your nail bed looks like and choose accordingly, okay? And I think that this one with the little fleshy pink color matches my hands perfectly. So anyway, I'm gonna stop talking. Let's get straight into this video. So guys, I have my previous acrylic nails removed, and as you can see, my nail beds are all chippy and sensitive. I hate that feeling when you take off a fresh set of nails. It's like your fingers are so sensitive and they hurt. So I decided I'm not going to go back to the nail shop for a while. I'm just going to apply these Kiss Everlasting French tip nails. These are my absolutely favorite French tip. They look super natural. I decided to go with a medium length because I have a lot of furniture to work on. So it's a lot easier to make clay flowers and paint furniture when I have shorter nails. On average, these nails cost about $8. You get a nail file and orange stick to push your cuticles back. You also get this pink nail glue, and then you get 24 different size nails. That way you can pick and choose which ones fit your fingers the best. So in fact, I highly recommend that you go through and size each nail on your fingers. That way you can make sure they fit properly. The better they fit, the more natural these press-on nails are going to look. So before you start to glue anything, go through all 10 fingers and size them up for the fit. Next, using this mini nail file, we're going to rough up our nails a little bit. This is a very important step. If you skip this step, then your press-on nails will not work, girl. They're going to be popping off all over the place. You're going to be so embarrassed and they are not going to look natural. So you know how when you go to the nail shop and they use the drill on your nail before applying like the tip and all that kind of stuff? This is essentially what we're doing. Find that when I don't file my nails and I just apply the glue, the nails only last about a week, but when I take the time to actually file my regular nails down to create a little rough surface for the glue and the fake nail to better adhere to, I get them to last upwards of 2 weeks or more. Next, guys, we're going to use this little orange stick, and we're going to use the cuticle pusher side and just simply push our cuticles back. It's very important to do this step because this makes your nails look like you got them professionally done. You're able to kind of slide the kiss nail up against your regular nail and get it underneath the cuticle just a little bit, and that is what makes you look like you got that fresh full set straight out of the nail salon. So don't skip this step. It's very, very important. I always like to go back in with my nail file to like any spots where I may have missed. I like to go in and kind of rough it up just a little bit. This part is super uncomfortable for me because I hate the way that orange stick feels pushing your cuticle back. But again, this step is very, very imperative, so do not skip it. So guys, here's the fun part. We get to finally start gluing our nails. And the way I apply my nails is I put glue on the back side of the fake nail, and then I also apply glue to my fingernail. And I'm super sorry about the footage here. The camera just simply wanted to focus on my gorgeous dining room table and not what I was actually doing. But the reason why you apply glue to your nail and also the back side of the nail is because you want that clear part to not have any bubbles. And I find that by putting glue on both sides, it's almost impossible for you to get little ugly bubbles. So yeah, something about glue being on both sides that causes the nail to seal perfectly. Then you just want to make sure you press and hold for about 20 to 30 seconds. And at that point, the nail should be completely dry and you can move on to the next one. Y'all, once I got that first nail on, I was just really feeling myself. I was like, what? Girl, you did that. These nails look so good. And the way I apply them, it really makes the difference of them looking like a cheap press-on nail versus looking professionally done. So definitely follow the steps if you want to get the best outcome for your press-on nails and if you want them to last for a very long time. So while I finish my nails, I just wanted to show you guys some of the new kiss sets that they have available. These ones remind me of like Cardi B nails. These are perfect for like if you work somewhere and you can't wear long nails like this and you just want a cute weekend look. I thought these ones were super cute and fabulous for summer. So look at these ones, guys. Oh my god, they are glittery, they have bling on them, and they're stiletto shaped. So as you can see, Kiss just has some of the most fabulous styles and they're super affordable. I like to get mine from Target, Walmart, and sometimes I'll even order from Amazon. So guys, I just finished one hand and this is what they look like. Tell me those nails don't look fabulous, honey. I mean, the struggle is definitely real with the right hand because I'm right-handed, but that's okay. I'm gonna finish them up and show you what they look like afterwards. So guys, this is how my nails turned out. I think they look really, really good. On my right hand, I have just a few bubbles, which you can see on my thumb and also my middle finger, where I didn't get enough glue on it. But overall, I think they look fabulous. Leave some comments down below how you think my nails turned out. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. As you can see, Kiss nails are really, really easy to apply. I absolutely adore getting my nails done. I love having beautiful fingernails, but I don't like sitting in the salon getting them done, and I hate paying 70, 80 bucks for a full set and then you break one and that's another $20. Like, my pockets just aren't set up for that, okay? Not that I don't have it, but I don't like spending that kind of money, so I'm going back to press-on nails. Next I want to try the press-on toenails. I had did them before, but I've never done a YouTube video on them, so I'm gonna look for some really cute ones and do press-on toenails. And if you see a brand or a particular kind that you guys want me to try, leave it down in the comment section below. What I'm going to try to do is find this particular set on Amazon and link it on my Amazon affiliate store, along with some of my other favorite press-on nails, so you can check those out by clicking the link in the description box. And anyway guys, it is Taco Tuesday, so I'm headed to my boo's house to make some tacos. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.